Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review the clean screen feature on the GC Touch panel. So the name of it pretty much explains what it's for. It is so you can clean the screen without activating any of the features of the panel. Essentially disables the screen while keeping the panel active. So we will go ahead and go into the settings menu and show how to access that. All right, so we have the panel here. So if we try to wipe the panel just as is, obviously there's risk of it picking up the pressure or the heat from our, just like that, and activating something on the panel. So you'll want to use the clean screen feature, which is essentially going to disable the screen while keeping the system active and keeping the monitoring active. So we will go into settings, enter the master code. Ours is still the default 1111. Go to screen management and then clean screen. So when we press that, we have a 30-second window to use a microfiber cloth, clean the screen, and we don't worry about pressing anything on the panel, activating alarm, nothing like that. So we have this time here. It gives us a nice clear countdown so we know exactly how much more time we have. Do not use harsh chemicals on the screen, such as Clorox. It's fairly common for people to think that they can do that, but it has a risk of damaging the screen. So microfiber cloth is good enough. If you need to, you can use some spray on the cloth or even just a little bit of water, but usually the cloth itself does the trick. All right, so I went ahead and found a cloth. So we'll just once again show the clean screen. So press it right there. No wipe. And as you see, since it's on this, I'm not activating anything on the panel. I don't have to worry about setting off the alarm, setting off any messages to the monitoring company, anything like that. So more reasons to clean, obviously, just so it looks better. But if there are smudges over time, that can mess up kind of the calibration of the screen. So it's always good to keep it clean, keep your panel operating as it should. All right, and we're out of clean screen. So we can go back to the normal functions of the panel. Okay, so that is the clean screen feature on the GC Touch panel. So we have a nice clean screen now. It will help keep the panel looking good and also help with touch sensitivity. So you don't want too much buildup on the panel screen because it can affect how it's going to react when you press it. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you have any questions for us, our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com, and our website, www.alarmgrid.com, has a chat feature on there, so feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.